Hey there, this is a beginner level tutorial on basic application use and functionality of the ArcLight AR application. This tutorial mainly focuses on the radial menu features and some light rotation is sampled. To begin using the ArcLight application, select the play button in the middle of the light bulb. Once you've done this, at the top, a slow-moving tutorial will briefly inform you that for best plane detection results, you must move your device in a slow manner. A white circled outline will appear to inform you when a plane has been detected and that a light may be placed on this location. Again, you can see this on the ceiling. Once a plane has been detected, select the slide-out panel and select a light from one of the three categories: wall lights, ceiling lights, or floor lights. Once you've selected a light, you may place it anywhere on a valid plane. Double-clicking the item will bring up the radial menu. There's 6 options in the menu. The first option is to delete the item. The second option is to toggle the light switch either on or off. The next option is color and brightness settings, where you can change the color or the level of brightness. The next option is the camera bloom and occlusion settings. The rotation settings, where you can define X, Y, and Z axes. And lastly, flipping the object. Right now, we're just going to look at the rotation settings. So in this sample, you can see the X, Y, and Z planes, and you're able to maneuver them to get the light in the best situation that you want. Once you've done this, you can simply click off the box and it will disappear and the light will be shown where you want it. Thanks so much for sticking around for our first tutorial of the ArcLight application. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to screenshot, how to change the colors and lighting, how to change the brightness, and how to delete objects. Thanks so much for watching.